Hi, I'm Mark, Head of Customer Success at GoAnimate. Here on our YouTube channel, you'll find some of our most popular tutorials covering subjects like how to use GoAnimate, how to make characters walk and talk, and how to use special effects. Some of the tutorials are comprehensive deep dives on subjects like narration and camera effects, while others are short, one-minute tutorials that quickly cover a single topic. I hope you find them helpful. For a complete set, visit support.goanimate.com.
Businesses on 6 continents use GoAnimate to create top-notch marketing, training, and sales enablement videos. Marketers use GoAnimate to make videos that drive leads into their company sales funnels. Trainers love using GoAnimate to add video to e-learning courses and instructor-led sessions. Salespeople make videos on GoAnimate so team members can systematically deliver a personalized, first-class video to each potential customer. Marketers, trainers, and salespeople all enjoy a variety of visual styles, including 2D animation, whiteboard animation, and video infographics. Enhance these styles by customizing characters in our Character Creator. The GoAnimate Video Maker is extremely intuitive, taking only minutes to master. Our digital libraries are stocked with everything you need to increase relevance to the audience. Thousands of characters, actions, backgrounds, and props, representing hundreds of industries and occupations. Publishing your video is simple. Download the videos directly, export them right to popular video hosting and courseware authoring sites, or share them on social media, all with the click of a button. With a Go Premium account, you can export your videos in full HD 1080p format. You also get full commercial rights to all your work. A Go Team account gives your business all those great features plus team management and collaboration tools. Make, export, and share all the videos you want, starting at only $39 a month. So how do businesses use GoAnimate? They make marketing, e-learning, training, and sales enablement videos quickly and cost-effectively. For marketers, this high-quality content generates, nurtures, and converts leads. Trainers use GoAnimate to increase enthusiasm, engagement, and retention among learners. Sales teams use GoAnimate to deliver the right video to the right prospect at the right time. Plus, it's fun. Sign up today.